What's up guys, Sean here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the Petrified Fish Havrog. You can get this knife for $54 and I will link it in the description below. We have some really comfortable micarta handles right here. You can get a full grip on it, but it is a pretty compact sized knife. They were able to make a smaller medium-sized knife feel like a full size, very capable knife pretty well with this design. You have some really nice kind of contouring and chamfering on this on these micarta scales. They did a really nice job. I'm not the biggest micarta fan, but this is very good quality micarta, and the execution of this is really outstanding. You can see they blacked out the liners. They even did the matching green micarta backspacer. Really impressed with everything I've seen from Petrified Fish. I think they might be the king of the budget game right now. I mean, look at this. They even did the matching green micarta on the thumb studs. That's insane. You don't see that very often. I mean, this is a company that cares about their designs. You can tell that there is passion and experience, a lot of thought that goes into these designs. That's no bull crap. Have a milled pocket clip. I don't know if that is steel or titanium. Usually when you see milled clips, they're titanium, but it's probably a steel clip, probably stainless steel, I would have to imagine. For the blade, we have K110, which is the same thing as D2. And the blade is it's kind of like a spear point, really, like a spear point blade. Now we have a pretty stout spine. It gets thinner as you come out towards the tip. You have a flat grind, and it tapers down decently thin behind the edge. This is not a super thin blade grind, but I think it's probably offering a nice balance between toughness and cutting performance, as far as how easily it passes through material, because you gotta remember, the shorter the distance between the spine thickness and then where it comes down to the behind the edge thickness, that's gonna give more of that wedge effect and make it more difficult to pass through material. But honestly, I haven't done really any cutting with this one, because this one was just getting stropped. So I brought the edge back as much as I could with the strop, and I don't want to take away from any of the life expectancy. But we can talk about, let's see, I covered the ergos. We have this little thumb ramp right here. I love that. Extremely comfortable. Ergonomics are one of the probably one of the strongest features of this knife. And then, as you can see, it's a liner lock. Lock bar access, they did very well. Very easy to get onto that and disengage it. Centering is 100% perfect, dead on center. And if we look in there, I see bronze washers, but I think that it might actually be bearings. They might be the like a bronze bearing race. Yeah, I can actually see the ball bearings. So it is a gently shake shut knife once again, extremely smooth, perfectly tuned detent. Very enjoyable to flick and manipulate. Does not, wear on your thumb or your hand, and there's really no parts of it that are uncomfortable or harsh. Everything is nice and smooth and contoured, and the only thing sharp or harsh is going to be that edge. So that's how I like my knives to be. I don't know about you guys, but I don't think too many people are going to be disappointed with this one. I mean, I can't imagine they would be. This is a really nice knife, guys. For $54, I mean, they are giving you a hell of a knife. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys. Jesus loves you. Stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.